It's an inanimate object. What do you want?
Are you saying the brave little toaster wasn't a person?
I'm saying the brave little toaster should have killed himself. You just said he was living. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He should have killed himself. You know.
But he went on adventures. I literally don't
But he
remember the
should
show.
have died. It was a movie. It wasn't even a show. You fag. I hate life.
What's wrong?
Offer. This is what I'm doing. I'm spending Saturday night making handicap noises while fixing up a Scion TC, talking to somebody I hate. So this just sucks, man.
Man, I hate those days.
Faggots. Dude, this Scion is 198 miles an hour. Oh my god. Yeah, I'd rather kill myself than do that. That's what I'm gonna try to. Gay, and he's so gay that he doesn't know it yet.
How is someone so gay they don't know they're gay?
Exactly.
Are you alright?
Not feeling it.
Kind of. I'm not even sure what to make of that noise.
A stupid thing that goes down an octave is so annoying, probably. That's gotta just suck so much.
We swear we're not retarded.
Wait, recording this too. That is fresh. You know what? That is good. I should have probably expected it too.
I've been recording you for the last 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know.
You know what? I can ruin this whole entire thing. You know what? I can ruin
How?
this. That's the best part. I can just make all this footage unusable.
How?
Oh, I know exactly. This is easy. It's an easy thing to do. Would you like to know
Yes,
how?
please.
It's really pretty easy. I do want you to know that.
Well, what is it?
Gay, and he's so gay that he doesn't know it yet. That part's at least unusable.
Yeah.
You gotta admit, like earlier, if I did that 3 years ago, you would just, yeah, sure, it's unusable now.
Just every video
it's
copyright
gone.
claim. Copyright claim.
That video is gone.